Hi there, I'm Cheryl Perez, but my friends and you can call me CP, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Over 20 years of experience in business coaching, business and nonprofit infrastructure development, and training expertise under my belt, I possess a uniquely qualified insider view of what makes a business truly succeed. Now, I'm the owner of multiple successful businesses, but I started out in the trenches just like you. And I have personally taken each and every step along the road to success, and I am so honored to be entrusted with sharing that blueprint with you. Because I know that you are ready to pursue your own entrepreneurial adventures. My career journey has taken many exciting twists and turns over the years, some planned and some not. And I'm excited to share those experiences and lessons that I've learned that have shaped my business success. And I know that they will help shape yours too. Here, you will experience the keen insights needed to address the complex questions and concerns that challenge entrepreneurs at every stage, from startups to established powerhouses. Because I've worked directly with hundreds of business owners and thousands of their employees, and I've learned firsthand how to build businesses and nonprofit organizations from the ground up. Look, on this channel, we are going to cut through the bull, because I'll never promise to deliver any magic tricks of the trade. But what you will get on this channel are the actual tools of the trade, every Tuesday and every Friday. I will show you how to build the leadership and business foundations that will make your dreams become reality. And I'll show you how to take it to the next level in your journey. So welcome. Come on in. Take a look around and make yourself comfortable. Get ready. And be sure to subscribe for amazing content made just for you. I hope you're ready, because I know I am. Let's do it right the first time together. Let's get to work.